Maciuś, co to za siedzienie takie? Ale fajnie go złapałem, no.
Jets linebacker Brian Thomas was thrown onto his leg. Let's go Samsung next level on his value. Pouncey starting 16